Guys, I don't know how I'm going to be sending this one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mossbeauhaven. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from me. And I'm a beauty, lifestyle, and a content creator basically. So today we're going to be opening some of the products I've received from Pixi Beauty. Like really, Pixi Beauty has been a supporter of this brand. Like they keep sending packages and I'm so thankful to them, and for the most part I'm going to be giving them away, so you want to stay tuned to the end of the video to see how I'm going to do that. Really, I cannot use everything, and this is just like a mini thank you, you know, to my subscribers, new, old, you know. This is just saying thank you, you know, for just supporting, just watching and all of that. I can say they are the ones that have consistently given me PR packages, which I'm very grateful for. That's why I always like to just, you know, say thank you to them. If you want to see what we're going to be doing, please stay tuned. We have a bag, guys. Look at this. Like Pixi always come through. A bathroom bag, and so this is going to be hung on the bathroom wall. Like this is so pretty. Gosh, the person that is getting this one is going to be very lucky. Okay, and in this we have the retinol cleanser, we have oils, we have overnight retinol oil, we have lotion, we have eye creams, you know, and we have cleansers. Like this is really nice. So I believe one person will just get this bag, and yeah. And why I love Pixi is their packaging. Like in this package we have about 3 items. We have the glow tonic. I have the it's also the glow tonic. Actually, I think it's actually the same thing. It's just a big and the small sizes. So oh my god. And this is, oh, this has my name on it. This has my customized name on it. Oh my god, guys, I cannot give this one away. I'm just gonna put this at home. Oh god, I'm so excited. This is so pretty. So, and I've always wanted this, their glow tonic. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this, and I'm gonna be using this. Oh my god. These people just come through with packaging, okay? And with all of their products, it's usually like a set. Okay, what I mean by a set is usually it has cleansers, it has oils, it has night creams, it has scrubs, it has what's it called, masks. In this collection it has the milky tonic, it has the hydration milky serum, it has the hydrating milk lotion, it has the hydrating milk makeup remover. I'll be wanting the makeup remover. It has the cleanser, and it has the peel. So somebody is obviously going to be getting this, but I probably will inculcate different items, or maybe I should just give it as a set since it comes in a set, but we'll see how it goes. So it probably will be like 3 or 4 sets of giveaways, so just stay tuned for that. Yeah, and this also is the vitamin C 5 power packed skin treats. It just oozes of vitamin C. This has vitamin C lotion, this has the caviar balm, this has the vitamin C serum, and this has the toner. This has the brightening toner. I like anything vitamin C. I use a lot of vitamin C. Here comes the very big one. Guys, I don't know how I'm going to be sending this one. These are all makeup, guys. Let me just show you guys this. Can you guys see? These are so nice. I believe these are highlighters. I was going to say that. And these are liquid lipsticks. Looks very nice. It's a lipstick. And this gloss. This can pass for like an eyeshadow. The gloss looks like. I don't know if the camera, if the camera can pick this. Whoever gets this, you can use it as an eyeshadow, or I think it's, for me, it's gonna be more of an eyeshadow. And this is also like a lipstick. This is what it looks like. Catch that. Oh wow, these are lip glosses as well. So this is what it looks like. We have 3 of those. We have 3 of the lip glosses. Some people will just be getting all of these like in a stick. So this is just the bronzer. I love this, and it doesn't look like I'm going to be giving anyone this. This is so nice. Oh, this is pretty, guys. This is so pretty. Very subtle. This is mine, I'm sorry. I ain't giving nobody this one. And this one. Nah, I'm not giving anybody. I'll probably give a lighter person this. Maybe someone I know. I'll just give them this. We have an eyeshadow palette. I love this eyeshadow palette. It looks really, really good. Look at these colors. All of this right here in this collection. So I'm gonna be giving this one away because I have this eyeshadow palette. This has a cream, a pencil, has a lip plumber, has a liquid lipstick. That comes to the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. How we are going to do the giveaway is just tell me why you would love to have any of this product. I'll be checking the comment section and I'll just be randomly picking who to give. And please, if you don't get anything from this giveaway, it's not because of anything. It's all love. It's just because I really don't know how to go about this, and I just don't want to be saying you should follow this and you should subscribe to it. No, I don't want to do that. Just tell me why you want this product, what it will do for you, and you know, really that's just it. And please, if I know you personally, you are not qualified for this giveaway, so don't even try it. I'm giving people that are just random, people that I don't know, people that are just following, you know, and that's it. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to see you on my next one. I love you and stay beautiful. Bye.